impossible happens. The monster mutt, the rookie, takes on the veteran. A mistake by Pablo Huffaker. You'll almost never see it. And then Gravedigger monster truck. He's got his engine shut down. Gravedigger comes back for freestyle. Makes it.
Andrew! Say hi!
But for now, in the advance all parts,
Sonito!
Monster
Say
Truck
hi!
Racing hits Monster Mutt advancing into round number 2.
What's up, AJ? What are you eating?
On the advance all parts start line is time.
Whopper! Woohoo!
Justin Cluster unable to fire that monster truck. Tech officials are already working on it. If his crew chiefs are there, he is upon the 1 minute clock. He has 1 minute to answer, leaving the pits and stage on the advance all parts to start line.
Huh?
On the start line now, Leo.
So far, I got 1 minute.
The fastest racing truck
yeah.
so far in 2010.
Oh.